गुड मॉर्निंग स्टुडंट. नवयुवक शिक्षण प्रसारक मंडळ चापोली संजीवनी महाविद्यालय चापोली वेलकम यू इन e-learning platform prepared by myself Dr. Shubhangi Prabhakarao Chauhan, Assistant Professor and Head, Department of Botany, Swami Ramanand Tirth Marathwada University Nanded. Semester pattern curriculum under choice based credit system CBCS for undergraduate program, Faculty of Science and Technology, subject Botany, year BSc first year, paper first. Now today the lecture we will see the topic virus, in that tobacco mosaic virus, TB, systematic position, phylum Vira, subphylum Ribovira, class Ribohelica, order Ribodovirales, symptoms TME diseases. The TME attack the tobacco plant and causes a destructive disease. The symptoms of the disease appear generally on the leaves in the form of light yellow and dark green patches. The TME remain active for longer time, about 50 years, in dried leaves and withstands consist of boiling for about 10 minutes. Now, ultrastructure of TME. The TME are rod-shaped or needle-like crystals. They are cylindrical in shape. They are about 300 nm in length and 15 to 18 nm in diameter. They have very complex structure with the capsid, protein code and nucleic acid RNA. Now, capsid. The capsid is outermost protective protein coat of the TME. It is made up of a specific protein. It is composed of many, about 2130 similar small protein units called the cobzomers. The cobzomers provides shape to the virus and protection of the nucleic acid. Now, nucleic acid. The nucleic acid is the RNA. It is single stranded and line in the center, forming the central core. Now, multiplication of TME. The TME multiples only within the living cells of the host plant. During the process of multiplication, RNA of the viral particles combines with the almost of the activities of the host cells and control the entire metabolism of the cells. Thereafter, the host cells and controls the entire metabolism of the cells. Thereafter, the host cells produce the viral component at their own cost. Now, transmission of TME. The viral particles are transmitted from one plant to another by various methods. Some of the important methods are such as, first of all, mechanical transmission, second, insect transmission, and third, sap transmission. Now, mechanical transmission, it takes place by the contact of infected leaves with the healthy one through the ribbon of leaves, through winds, starches, broken hairs, etc. Insect transmission. In this method, the TME are transmitted through the insects vectors like aphids and grasshoppers. Now, lastly, subtransmission. In the method of sub extract from the infected leaves when applied over healthy leaves in causes in infection. Now, economic importance of virus. This very important point. Question: economic importance of viruses. 5 marks. Short question. Pathogenic nature. Virus are the disease producing agent. They causes virus dreadful diseases in plant and animals including man. Mosaic diseases of tobacco and bhendi, black ring spot of cabbage and leaf roll of potato are some viral diseases of plant. Viral fever of sheep and foot mouth diseases of cattle are some viral diseases of animals. Influenza, jaundice, smallpox, measles, polio and common cold are some viral diseases of human beings. Role in agriculture. Fertility of soil. The nitrogen fixation bacteria are infected and destroyed by the viruses. It reduces nitrogen contents of soil and ultimately fertility of the soil. Now, role in industries. In different fermentation industries like antibiotic industries, vitamin industries, many microorganisms are used as tool to produce important product. When the microorganism infected by some viruses, they get destroyed and it causes a great loss in the industrial production. Now, next, Swege dispersal. The process of Swege dispersal depends upon the activity of certain microorganisms. The microorganisms are affected by viruses to the entire process of the Swege dispersal surface. Now, biological importance, biological control. The virus have been used as the bio control agent of the control the population of harmful organisms, insect and pest in USA. Caterpillars damaging the crop of Medigo sativa and killed by the viral application agent them. The water of the river Holy Ganga in pure in some extent because it consists bacteriophages which kill the harmful bacteria in the water. Research tools. Due to simple structure and rapid multiplication, the virus are widely used in research in the field of molecular biology, medicine, genetic engineering, etc. Now, bacteriophages viruses are specific in action, therefore they are used in the identification and classification of bacteria. The process is called as phage typing. Vaccines. Many diseases are prevented by the vaccines prepared from different viruses. Viruses and cancer. Viruses causes cancer in animals. There are some viral particles found in the milk of women from families with high occurrence of breast cancers. The cancer virus are known as oncogenic viruses. Virus and AIDS acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. AIDS is disease caused by human immunodeficiency virus HIV